Hello friends, welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. In the last classes, we discussed about the sentence, subject and predicate and parts of speech in English grammar. Today in this fifth episode, let us discuss the number one parts of speech, that is the noun. Let us see what it is. I already explained the different qualities of 8 parts of speech. The first part of speech is noun. A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. Noun is a word and it is the name of a person, place or thing. I think you got it. So, how many kinds of nouns are there? That is my question now. This time we are going to learn about the kinds of nouns. There are 4 kinds of nouns. First of all, the proper noun. Second is the common noun. Third one is the collective noun, and the fourth one is abstract noun. Now, I will explain about it one by one. First one is the proper noun. What's a proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person or thing. King Ashoka. Ashoka is the proper noun of a person. Delhi is a proper noun of a particular place. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, all these places are names of places and a particular name given to a particular city. Similarly, Ashoka, Rajashekar, Krishna, Ram, all these names are given particularly to any person or thing. Okay, so they are particular names. Proper nouns are particular names. A proper noun is the name given to a particular person or thing. That is the definition. Let me write it here. First, I will write the definition of a noun. A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing. Example: Delhi, city, boy, wisdom, etc. Okay. Now, kinds of nouns. Kinds of nouns. There are 4 kinds of nouns. Number 1, the proper noun. Number 2, the common noun. Number 3, the collective noun. And 4, the abstract noun. Okay. So there are 4 kinds of nouns. I said that is the proper noun. A proper noun is the particular name of a person or thing. Okay? Particular name means, example, Ashok, Rahul, Delhi. Okay. So number 2, second one is the common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to every member of same kind or class. For example, boy. Any boy in the world represents the word boy. Boy, city, tree, train, etc. common nouns. The difference between the proper noun and common noun means once we say boy, you can get an idea of any boy in the word. You will keep an idea of any boy. That may be this boy or that boy or those all other boys. But when I say Ashok, you immediately separate that concept of boy into a single person who you know. Ashok, the friend, your friend or your classmate or any other person in the name of Ashok. Immediately you got the idea of that thing. So proper noun and common noun, the difference is proper noun is particular name, whereas common noun is given in common to all the member, to every member of the same kind. Got it? Now the third one is the collective noun. A collective noun is a name given to a collection of persons or things taken together as one whole, all the members should be taken together as a whole and the single word will represent. For example, crowd, herd, fleet. What is crowd? Collection of people. Herd, collection of animals. Fleet, collection of ships or airplanes. Troop, collection of musicians. Troop, TROOP, collection of monkeys, group of monkeys. All these are collective nouns. So a collective noun is a name given to a collection of persons or things taken together as one whole. Example, crowd, herd, fleet, troop, etc. Army. Another example is army. Collection of soldiers. Okay. So this is collective noun. And last one is the abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, state or an action. Quality, example, goodness, state, wisdom, action, laughter. Okay, these are laughter, theft is also example for an action. Name of abstract noun. Goodness, wisdom, laughter, theft, etc., etc., etc. So these are four kinds of nouns. I will summarize all these things. There are four kinds of nouns. First of all, the proper noun, the particular names given to person or thing. Second is common noun, name given in common to all the every member of the same kind. And collective noun, name given to a collection of persons, places taken together as one whole. And abstract noun, they are names of quality, state or action. Okay, this is for today. That's all for today. And let us take further details of the noun in the next class. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for today.